guys, welcome to the second video of the UOIT Motorsports unboxing series. Today we're going to be unboxing our new battery management system provided by Energus Power Solutions. Today our electrical department head, David Capano, will be doing the unveiling for us.
Hi, my name is David Capano. I am the electrical department head for the UOIT Motorsports team for the electric race car. Today we'll be covering the Energus Tiny BMS. It's the s516, the 30 amp variant. And this battery management system board we are using as our slave modules in our battery pack. So this board is a two-layer board, so it has components on both sides. And as you can see, it uses a passive balancing topology. It is capable of 150 milliamps of balancing current, and it is just a very, very beautifully designed board. It's very compact, and it is capable of up to 16 cells, and even so, it's still very small. It is the height of an 18650. It's very compact, it's out of the way, and it's capable of a lot of current. So this board is capable of up to 60 amps peak and 30 amps continuous. Even so, with the small package size, we're going to be using it close to that peak value, obviously during peak power demands. And this board, we're going to be mounting it on a cool surface, so we'll be capable of more, but we're just keeping the temperatures down. Speaking of temperatures, it has two temperature inputs for external temperature sensors. This board is capable of UART right off the board, and it is offered with CAN, USB, and Bluetooth converters from Energus. So this board has onboard microprocessors for state of charge estimation and calculation and current measurement on board, as well as it's capable of external relays and current sensors for higher current capabilities that are off board, up to 750 amps. So this board also comes with software that includes a GUI for showing you cell voltages, pack voltage, pack current, and cell temperatures, as well as state of charge. And it's a very convenient and easy to use software, and it is really top of the line what it comes with. Overall, this is the smallest slave module that you will find that has these capabilities. It's just a very well engineered board with lots of attention paid to the physical size, as well as the capabilities and safety concerns for your battery. And overall, I would say that this is probably the best battery management system you can get for your money when you have major concerns about size. I'd like to thank Energus for providing these boards, and these boards will be used to design a very compact, power-dense battery system for our electric race car.
Thanks so much, David, for the unboxing. We'd just like to thank again our sponsors, Energus Power Solutions, for their amazing BMS system that they provided for us. Now feel free to subscribe for more UOIT Motorsports content. I'm Daniel, and I hope to see you soon.